Ano ang IRCC account? Hello sa lahat! Welcome back! In this video, ituturo ko sa inyo step by step kung paano gumawa ng IRCC online account. Ito yung tinatawag na IRCC Secure Account. Ito yung official account ng Government of Canada para sa immigration, visitor visa, study permit, work permit, at extensions. Ano ang IRCC account? Think of it like your personal online immigration portal. Dito mo makikita lahat ng applications mo, letters, status updates, at kung may kulang sa requirements mo. Pwede kang mag-submit ng online applications, magbayad ng fees, mag-upload ng extra documents, i-track kung approved na o under review, mag-link ng paper application. Saan ka gagawa ng account? Go to www.cic.gc.ca/english/e-services/account.asp. Never sign up sa mga immigration pages na hindi official. Dalawang paraan ng pag-sign in. Pag nandun ka na sa page, may dalawang options. Number 1. GC Key. Government of Canada Login. Dito, gagawa ka ng sariling username at password. Best option kung wala ka pang Canadian bank account. Number 2. Sign-in partner. Gamit ang Canadian online banking. Pwede lang ito kung may Canadian bank ka na. Sa video na to, gagamit tayo ng GC Key method. Step by step how to create your IRCC account, GC Key. Step 1. Click Sign in with GC Key. Then click Sign up, since wala ka pang account. Step 2. Accept terms and conditions. Click I accept. Step 3. Create username. Choose a unique username. Step 4. Create password. Use a strong password. Keep it safe and private. Step 5. Set recovery questions. For security, in case makalimutan mo ang password mo. Step 6. Finish GKey setup. You'll now have your username plus password. Step 7. Fill out IRCC secure account info. Enter your name, same as passport, email, and security questions. Set up your two-factor authentication code via email or app. Once done, congratulations! May IRCC account ka na. So ayun guys, that's how you create your IRCC secure account step by step. Madali lang siya basta sundan nyo ang instructions sa official IRCC site. Disclaimer, this video is for information purposes only. I'm not an agent or immigration consultant, but I can help guide you by giving more info if you have questions. Message me if you need clarification. Thank you for watching. Please like and share kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito.